You order it first, ask questions later. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. So we have here is a brake kit for an E90, E92, E93 335i, and your E93 35D. It does fit up to 3 of 2010. What we have in this kit are Zimmerman Z-coated rotors, which have a anti-corrosive zinc coating that's basically baked on. What's nice about these rotors is you don't have to clean them off before installation. Simply install, bed in your brakes, and you're good to go. Also included in this kit, we have Akebono EUR ceramic brake pads. These are the most popular option that we have. What's nice about these pads is they don't make a lot of dust, unlike the factory pads that you typically find at a BMW. They have relatively the same type of braking performance as an OE pad, but they're significantly cleaner, so that's the one benefit here. Also included are the front and rear brake pad sensors, specifically for the vehicle. And this kit comes with everything you're gonna need to essentially refresh the front and rear brakes on the aforementioned vehicles. All right, this has been another real quick product review. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like what you see, definitely hit that like button, and we'll see you for the next one.